Honorable representatives of the Fiji government, Chair of the Fiji National University, Dr. Ndikese Seniloli, members of the FNU Council, FNU Acting Vice Chancellor, Professor Unaisi Nambombo, Mamba, members of the Diplomatic Corps, members of the FNU leadership team, graduates, family members, sponsors, and invited guests. Meusambulare, and a very good morning to you all. I am indeed honored this morning to address you as your head of state and as president to be part of Fiji National University's 2023 graduation ceremony at the Labasa campus. I have had the pleasure of attending the Labasa graduation ceremonies before in my capacity as the former chairperson of the FNU Labasa Campus Stakeholders Advisory Committee. And this morning, I'm humbled that the FNU has yet again extended this invitation to my office to confer these important awards today. For the last couple of days, I've been following closely the graduation ceremonies of your fellow graduation class in Suva. And there has been great coverage in the newspapers and the media and on a daily basis last week on the struggles and accomplishments that these have paved the way for your respective journeys to reach graduation. Allow me at this juncture to welcome to Labasa those of you that have made the long journey from Bitileve and other parts of Honolulu. And I hope you will enjoy the warm hospitality and that we are distinctly known for here in Honolulu. The university continues to provide an enriching student learning experience by providing an enhanced and inclusive learning facilities and resources to cater for students of all backgrounds and special needs. I note that the university has opened its four-story College of Business, Hospitality, Tourism Studies building at the Inasinu campus. The new College of Business, Hospitality and Tourism Studies complex houses a students' central office for students' academic office, finance, ITS needs, and classroom, and workspace, and a 450-seat lecture theater inclusive of accessible seats for students with disabilities, or now known as students with determination. It is now clearly evident that the infrastructural development that the university has invested in is a testament of the university's commitment to continuously offer the state-of-art resources and new programs to its local, regional, and international students who study at one of its 5 colleges. The Fiji Maritime Academy, or the National Training and Productivity Center. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji National University was established in 2010, and since then, the university has produced hundreds of graduates who now excel in their various fields of expertise. To the graduates, as sons and daughters of Honolulu, and in turn Fiji, I am proud that you will now become part of our educated population and continue to make an impact in the country with your hard work, commitment, and dedication that shall influence the growth of our nation's progress. Being associated with this university for quite some time, I am aware that most of you have traveled away from home to further education and stayed in hostels and rented houses while in the Northern Division for the duration of your studies, yet have opted to graduate today here in Labasa. I understand the struggles and the sacrifices you have to face in our academic journey away from home. To the relatives and families of family members who supported your educational journey by agreeing for you to stay with them for the duration of your studies, pinakabakalebu for your supporting our children in reaching their academic aspirations. I am sure that all of you seated here today in your graduation gowns will cherish the memories and experience you have gained as students of FNU. The challenge you overcome, the sacrifice made, and now the achievements you get to celebrate. Graduates, as you enter into a new season of your lives, You now have the important task of making your mark in this world. Go out and make your parents and loved ones proud of you. I am of the firm belief that education can truly change the world. Education is a powerful agent of change. When we educate our doctors and medical service providers, we improve our health and medical services, as well as our livelihood through programs rolled out by this sector. Education contributes to social stability and drives long-term economic growth and, in turn, our economic development. Your respective contributions to society are crucial and greatly needed. I have no doubt that the FNU has provided you with the academic and the social skills needed for you to succeed in anything you pursue here on. As you sit here today as accomplished products of your various colleges, I look out to the audience and I can feel and see the pride of your respective families and friends, as well as that of the FNU staff. Your next chapter shall see you join the growing and highly skilled workforce in your field of expertise. This includes the teaching, business, tourism and hospitality, agriculture, fisheries and forestry, science and engineering, and health and the medical field. Whatever your industry of contribution is, I personally urge you as your president, as your chief and as an elder, that will never count on what you just as a job. Treat it rather as your calling to serve you and the purpose to share your abilities and what you have learned with these that are around you. In all you do, be transparent, diligent, and professional in your conduct, and be team players. Be effective problem solvers and being critical, and be creative thinkers, humble leaders, and passionate workers. I'm always proud to be part of the graduation ceremonies in Labasa because I consider myself as a modern traditional chief that strongly believes in education is crucial and that the only way to achieving bigger and brighter visions and better development for the North and for Fiji. I am proud that our people are being educated and we have become to host at an international ceremonies like this. I have had the privilege of witnessing other past graduates of FNU as well as other tertiary institutions return to Honolulu and contribute in many ways to the economic growth and development of their villages and settlements. As your educational and professional status grow, never forget your parents, families, and communities who supported you throughout your life. Always strive to give back to your community and your country. To conclude, I hope that each of you shall achieve what you set out in your mind to do, and that today's graduation ceremony shall be the beginning of more success and triumph for each of you. With those few words, congratulations to you all. May God bless us all and may God bless Fiji.
The chief guest, His Excellency, President of the Republic of Fiji, Ratu Wiliame, Maivalili, Katonivere, the First Lady, Andi Filomena Katonivere, representatives of the Fiji government, Deputy Chancellor, Mr. Semyasa Nrovesi Karawaki, members of the FNU Council, FNU Acting Vice Chancellor, Professor Unaisi Nambomo Mbamba, members of the FNU Senior Leadership Team, members of the Diplomatic Corps, graduates, family members, sponsors, and invited guests. Nisambula Vinaka, and greetings to you all. It is my pleasant duty as Chancellor of the Fiji National University to welcome you all very warmly to the final March FNU graduation session this year for the conferring of degrees and awarding of diplomas and certificates. Thank you for your presence here today to honor our students on their achievement. Graduation is a very special event for all graduates and their families, and I warmly welcome you all. I'm delighted to see smiling and happy faces, which implies that you have successfully achieved your mission that began on your first day of studies at the Fiji National University. To each and everyone seated here today in your graduation gown, I offer my sincerest congratulations. Let's give them a big round of applause. To the parents and the guardians, I know that this is the moment that you have all been waiting for since your son or daughter enrolled at the Fiji National University. Believe me, as a parent, you will remember this moment throughout your life. You have played your part in the success of your child, and I congratulate you for your role as coach, mentor, parent, and friend. It is pleasing to see that the Fiji National University was chosen as the University of Learning that trained and qualified students who will now go out into the world and implement the skills, knowledge, and expertise acquired at the university. To the graduates, I'm confident that when you go out into your respective communities as ambassadors of FNU, you will use your knowledge and skills to make a difference in the lives of the people you serve. Ladies and gentlemen, the role of the FNU Council is to steer the university in the direction where our students receive relevant and forward-thinking learning, teaching, and research training. The newly appointed FNU Council and I take this responsibility very seriously. We will work with the Acting Vice Chancellor, Professor Mbamba, and her leadership team to drive the university forward in meeting its strategic objectives. Through the continued support of the Fijian government, the FNU Council, and key stakeholders, FNU will continue to assist our local, regional, and international students in achieving their academic aspirations. Once again, a warm welcome to you all, and again, congratulations to our graduates, and wish you all the very best in your endeavor as you start a new chapter in your lives.
program of Bachelor of Commerce in the program
Kishan, Vishal, and one of the first in the Madam Chancellor, that concludes.
Teresia Ling. Thank you, Acting Pro-Vice Chancellor, Learning and Teaching. You may resume your seat. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give another big round of applause to all our graduates this morning. Good night.